Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, then locate and open wallpaper, and here choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be something from My Wallpapers album, your own gallery, or wallpaper services. You can also explore more wallpapers online, just click on it and then search the browser, but I will choose something from My Wallpapers, and let me pick, for example, this one. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, also your lock screen, or just home screen, lock screen alone. But I will pick both of them, and this is how it will look like. Click on set on both, and that's it. As you can see, the wallpaper has been changed and also the lock screen has been refreshed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.